Now, viewers, let's talk about a sex scandal that has put the JDS in spot and the ally BJP as well. Well, just 2 days after the second phase of polling, the JDS and its MP Prajwal Revanna appears to have been rocked by a sex scandal. Prajwal Revanna is the sole incumbent JDS MP in the Lok Sabha who represents the Hassan constituency. Contesting again from the same seat, Hassan went to polls on the 26th of April. But a sex scandal seems to have derailed the momentum for the JDS in a sense. A few tapes allegedly involving the JDS MP have been doing the rounds in Hassan over the past few days, and the Karnataka Women's Commission has taken cognizance and has penned a letter to the government. The Congress government has now formed a 3-member SIT to probe the case, and an FIR has also been filed against the JDS MP. And the FIR also mentions his father, H.D. Revanna. The Karnataka police claims Prajwal Revanna is currently not in the country. And now JDS MP Prajwal, in counter-attack, has filed a counter-complaint alleging certain morphed videos are being circulated in a bid to tarnish his reputation during the polls. The police has filed an FIR under sections 354A, 354D, 506 and 509 of the IPC, which includes the charges of sexual harassment, stalking, intimidation and insulting the modesty of a woman. However, the JDS maintains that the police will bring out the truth in the investigation, and there is no truth in the allegations levelled against Prajwal Revanna, the JDS MP.
ನಾನಾಗಲಿ ದೇವೇಗೌಡರಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದೂ ಸಹ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವಯುತವಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವರ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಂತೂ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ SIT ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಾಸನದ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿದೆ.
I don't know what is inquiry. I am every day election busy. That I know that was that subject. But legally so many rules and regulations. Don't worry, any persons, any inquiry, you are free.
The INDI bloc has called out the JDS and their ally BJP over the issue. The Congress is set to stage more protests in Karnataka today. Congress asks why the BJP has maintained a stoic silence on the matter and goes on to ask why the party has agreed to let JDS give him a ticket if they were aware of his credentials.
This Women Commission has filed a complaint. They have received multiple complaints, multiple videos. I think Honorable Chief Minister has reviewed the entire situation along with the Home Minister and the police officers. Then they have come to a conclusion and they have filed a case knowing the fact. So I think it is the NDA now has to decide whether they should be a part of them or not. They want to associate with it or disassociate with it. It is the Prime Minister, they have to take a call.
Why is Prime Minister not speaking? Why is Shri Amit Shah not speaking? Why is Mr. Vijendra not speaking? Why is Mr. Yadurappa silent? Why is Ashok and Ashwath Narayan silent now? Why is Mr. Prahlad Joshi silent? I think they should also look within.
And so this is the controversy that has been brewing in Karnataka. A JDS MP is in a sex scandal web. Karnataka government has formed a 3-member SIT to probe the allegations levelled against him. The sex video is doing virals, and now the opposition is just questioning why the BJP, the ally in Karnataka for the JDS, is silent over the matter. The Congress party also says that when the BJP speaks of Mahila Samman and Nari Shakti, why they allowed the JDS to give such a person a ticket in the polls who faces allegations of sexual harassment, intimidation and other. We have Imran on the phone line with us. Imran, why is the BJP silent? Is there any condemnation coming in or the charges levelled against JDS MP Revanna? What proof does Revanna have that he was not involved in the sex scandal?
Well, the BJP has chosen to remain silent, saying that this is nothing concerned them, and in fact asked them, their alliance partner JDS, to which the party belongs to address the issue about Prajwal Revana, who is currently absconding. There is an FIR registered against him by Holi Narsipur police station in Hassan, based on a complaint received by one of the victims, claiming that she used to work as a cook in the house of the HD Revana, and she was sexually assaulted by Prajwal Revana, where she's also accused HD Revana too. So accused number 1 is HD Revana, and accused number 2 is Prajwal Revana. The police has the special investigation team formed to look after the several videos of Prajwal Revana apparently allegedly assaulting sexual assault of several women, and making videos of them have gone viral. The SIT team has taken over this FIR too, and they are investigating the case.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? Arey, it's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।